Hello my fellow hackers, Pixel44 is back with a new series on proxies. In this series we're going to go over proxies, reverse proxies, and NFCProxies. This episode is going to go over Proxychains. But first, let's discuss what a proxy is. A proxy server is essentially a server that acts as an intermediary for requests coming from clients seeking resources from other servers. Proxychains, in specific, is a tool that forces any transmission control protocol connection or TCP connection made by any given application. You can use Proxychains to surf the web anonymously. Proxychains can differ, but you can use socks or sockets v4 and v5 both to mask your location. Basically, these proxies tunnel through other clients to confuse people as to where you are while hacking. Anyway, let's get started. So basically, what you need to do is download the latest Kali Linux distribution, which you can get the ISO file from the official website. Right here, I will provide that link in the description. We already went over virtual machines, so I'm expecting you guys to know how to use virtual machines by now. If you haven't, check out my virtual machine video. So now, basically, when you do, the latest Kali Linux download should already have Proxychains installed. If you don't, you can just do sudo apt-get install Proxychains. I already have it, so it hasn't installed anything. Proxychains you can locate the Proxychains by typing locate Proxychains. And then to access Proxychains, you can go nano, pico, or leafpad. And nano and pico are the same thing, they're just code editors. And leafpad's just like the notepad version, Linux version of notepad. I'm just going to use nano, and then I'm going to go to ec, and then let me see here, and then proxychains.conf. You'll find the Proxychains right here in here. So you can find random proxies. If I just go, let's see, look up online socks proxies, and it'll give you a proxy list right here. There's a whole bunch of proxies you can find here. I would not recommend to use the Russian Federation one. See, some of these seem safe. Basically, it'll just ping through all these proxies, and it'll make people harder to find you and stuff. So, yeah, you can just take these proxies here and then type them in. And you want to specify what kind of proxy it is. So this is a SOX5 proxy, so you type in SOX5, and then 82.162.21.18, and then the port one, which is 4145. That's the proxy. I chose this proxy right up here. Yeah, most of these proxies use IPv4, and Proxychains will always have the default IP address as your loopback address, which we have gone over already. What a loopback address is, it's just your local host. And then you can just type in a bunch of proxies and then yep, and then I mean, I would recommend you put like 50 different proxies on here, but I'm just going to save this. You can check to see if Proxychains is up and working by basically typing ifconfig, which is the equivalent of ipconfig on Linux, or you can type in IPA and it'll give you the same exact result. IPA is the newer version of ifconfig, and you can find your, when you type ifconfig, you can find your IP address by inet, which is up here. This is my IP address, or at least my virtual IP address. You can type in, you can test your proxy chains to see if your server's up and running by typing in Proxychains nmap-ss and then typing in your IP address, which is 192.168.183, or whatever your IP address is. Oops, I misspelled nmap, silly me. The host is up for me with an 0.00000080 seconds latency, and let me see here. So then after that, you can basically, the NSA broke Tor a while back, but you can the default tunneling is Tor, which is an anonymous browser, which is the deep web. Proxychains by default tunnel through Tor, and so if you want to tunnel through something else, I don't have Tor, but you would type in Proxychains Tor, and yeah. So I don't have Tor, so it says it's not found, but anyway, I hope you all enjoyed my video, and I hope you all browse anonymously and safe. Stay hacking, stay ethical, and see you in the next video.